Hey, what's up, family? I like to take the time to thank Saad Ali and his free Forex course for beginners. Like, I really want to thank you, man. Saad, like, big ups to you, man, because you outdone yourself, man. Like, you pretty much give us the basics of like everything we need to know when it comes to trend lines, Fibonacci, parallel channels, bullish engulfings, bearish engulfings, and etc. The three chart setups. I love the three chart setups, man. And not only that, like, even though I'm still learning and humbling my skills, like, I don't want to quit, man. I don't. Like, I do not want to quit Forex. It is something inside of me that just wants me to keep going, you know, until I'm actually good at it. And I just want to thank you, man. I recommend anybody who's out there, man, who wants to learn Forex, like beginner wise, like I highly recommend you to check his course out on YouTube or his website. It's some good stuff. I really appreciate it, man. I hope to meet you one day and just thank you in person too, man. Seriously. Thanks for everything.